My name is Parth and I am going to teach you how to make a spaceship. Now you need to take a A4 size sheet and fold the corners together like this. You have to take this edge till here and do the same on the other side. Now you have to open it. You have to take your plane to here and take the edge till here. You have to take the edge till here and force this pocket to see like this. And do the same on the other side. You have to pull out this layer till here and take it back. And do the same on the other side. You have to take this edge till here and do the same on the other side. You have to fold this corner a little bit and do same on the other side. You have to fold this corner till here and take this corner back till here and do the same on the other side. Now you will see this thing. So you have to pull one layer out till here and it will be like this. So you need now a scissors and some tape. You have to take this tape. You have to stick this tape here. This and cut the extra part. Now your plane should look like this. Now you have to make the stabilizers. Take this point up and do the same on the other side. And now your spaceship is ready. Thank you.